video series of Science and Technology Part 2 for Standard 10th. And today we'll start the new chapter, that is 9th chapter, Social Health. Now, when you say health, what is meant by health? What is the idea of health in your mind? Is it only physical health or mental health or both? When we say health, it's not only physical health, not only mental health, but it also includes social health. So let's see in this chapter what is meant by social health. In the beginning of this video, let me ask you some interesting questions. You observe yourself, think and answer. Whether the questions which are asked, the answers of them by you is yes or no. So let's see the questions. Think and tell whether the answer of these questions are yes or no. First, do you have strong personality? Do you have large number of friends or relatives? Do you make proper use of time in loneliness? Do you always trust in others? Do you share your opinions in your peer group or with your parents, teachers? Do you have respect and acceptance for the others? Do you change your behavior according to society or not? If your all answers are yes, then you have good social health. So congratulations. If your all answers are no, then you don't have good social health. And if your answers are combination of both yes and no, then you need to improve your social health. So what is social health? It is an ability of a person to establish relationship with the other persons in a society. Let's learn about social health. So from these questions, you might have understood that the factors affecting the social health are many. Some of them are strong personality, then how you pass your time when you are lonely, how you interact with your friends, neighbors, then relatives, or how you use the social media, how you behave in the house, how you behave with the others in the society. Then what are your opinions about the good and bad events which are going on in the society? All these are the factors. Do you have peer group? Do you have a good friend circle? What type of peer group? What type of friends are there? All this decides the social health. So some of the factors are there which are disturbing the social health. Let's see these factors. First one is mental stress. Mental stress can be there due to various reasons. The reasons for the person who is undergoing the mental stress is different. Depends on its lifestyle also. Now, the main factors which affect the mental stress are competition. Competition in the education is there. Competition in the employment is there or business is there. Then standard of living, that is also one of the competition point. And after that, the main points are there here, the discrimination between boys and girls, whether it is for the school education, college education, or career selection, or it can be there in the what type of food is taken by the girls and boys. That may be somewhere, some houses, there may be some difference. Girls are forced to work in the house, but boys are not that much, or they have got the freedom. Boys can roam late night in the area anywhere, but girls are not allowed to do. So some of the factors are there, because girls will undergo the state of molestation or teasing by the others. That's why many parents, many houses, it's the same condition is there, that is the girls are differentiated from the boys. Okay, so this is one of the point for disturbing the social health and causing the mental stress. Other than this, The various other factors, if you see, then the factors are like this, that every person want to earn the money with less work and within fast time or less time. So what is done, whatever the work is given, without understanding whether the work is good or bad, the work is done, and such a persons are called as scapegoats, and they earn the money, they make the money without thinking rationally. So let's see the factors affecting social health, that is disturbing the social health. First is mental stress. Second is addiction. Addiction is there, that is the addiction. Two reasons are there for the addiction. Addiction in the children can be there due to the peer group influence or force. Second is there, that is the imitation of the elders. Once this habit is there, then it will be going on, and then it needs to control this addiction at the right time. Third one is there, that is incurable diseases. Incurable diseases are there. The people with the incurable diseases are ignored in the society. This causes those people to get the mental stress, and therefore their social health is disturbed. Let's see. Just observe, competitions has increased in opportunities for the education, employment and business. Due to increase in the population, there is competition in every category. So mental stress is there. Children are facing the problems of loneliness and mental stress due to reasons like nuclear family and parents staying outdoors for the job. There are many bindings on the girls and excessive freedom for the boys in some families. Boys enjoy the concession from their domestic duties, whereas the girls have compulsion for the same on the pretext that should be used to do it. Do you see a discrimination between the girls and the boys, sister and the brothers, in the same family on choice of fresh or leftover food, learning medium, whether they will learn in the English medium or other medium? In society, the adults and girls have to unnecessarily face the problem like teasing and molestation. Girls are facing the problem of stress due to such gender inequality. Nowadays, every person has to face the stress due to ever increasing disorders, crimes, and violence. Why these crimes are there? This is to earn the fast and easy way of making money. This is deadly effect of social illness. Temporarily intoxicating drugs of plant origin and some chemicals may permanently damage the human nervous system. muscle system, heart, liver, like that organs. And carcinogenic effects are also there because of the chewing of tobacco, that is the cancer of mouth and lungs can be there. Children in their early age try upon tobacco, cigarette, gutka or alcoholic drinks, drugs, etc. due to either peer group pressure or symbol of high standard living or as an imitation of the elders. However, this all leads to deadly substances. Incurable diseases like AIDS, TB, leprosy, mental disorders, as well as old persons leads to increase in old age homes, and such factors also cause mental stress in the person. Communication media and excessive use of modern technology is also one of the reasons for the cause of mental stress and disturbing social health. See, these are the two pictures where you can understand. In the first picture, the mother is telling the boy to come inside the house after playing for a long time outside. And in the second picture, the mother is telling the boy to go outside to play the outdoor games after playing for a long time on mobile. That is the one of the indoor game which has been recently the new indoor game. That is, we can say, the maximum use of social media or the internet communication technology, which is not causing any exercise for the children. So it needs to get the exercise. If you have mobile addiction, then you will suffer from, let's see, tiredness, headache, insomnia. Insomnia means you will not get sleep easily. Forgetfulness, tinnitus, joint pains and vision problem. Tinnitus means after using the earphone for long time, you will feel after removing that also that some sound is there in your ears. Vision problem, of course, it will be there. For sitting continuously at one place will cause joint pains. Also, forgetfulness is there, that is, you will forget the things. Simple, which thing where it is kept, you have to think for it. Then weakening of the bones will be there. You will become solitary and self-centered, that is, you want to be alone all the time and you don't want to help to others. Then autism will develop in you. Autism means you will hesitate to have eye to eye contact with the other persons and interact with them. So these all are the ill effects of mobile or modern technology. See the picture, the boy in the picture is eating food and in his hand this mobile is there. On the mobile he may watch the videos or he may play the game with the one hand and one hand he continue the work of eating. Is it rational? No, it is not rational. It's very incorrect to do like this. We have to respect the food and we have to taste the food properly. Let's see what is selficide. You have already known with suicide. See the picture. The person is standing in between the road, and behind that person car is there. The car driver is shouting. Then also this person is not able to listen the horn also. See the second, where the accident has been there on the road and many people, a crowd of people you are able to see there. What do you understand here? Some of the people are engaged in taking photos or selfie with the accident site. They are very eager to upload the accident site photos on the social media. So in spite of that, some people are there who are helping. So we are to help the victim. If any person is undergoing mental stress or he has undergone depression, then what can be the ways to reduce it? Everybody has to try to reduce the mental stress of the persons. So let's see what are the ways. First is the laughter clubs. The persons can join the laughter clubs. Laughing is the best medicine. So many of the thinking becomes positive due to this laughter clubs. Then interaction with the peer group, interaction with the people, interaction with the friends or the relatives or the person whom we can trust. Like that we can have the interaction. Whatever is there in our mind, we can tell them. So everything will be told by us. Sometimes solution will be there for our problems, and so we will reduce the mental stress. Hobbies, we can have some hobbies like hobbies, different hobbies according to the person. Hobbies can change. Then regular exercise, regular yoga or listening music. Music is also best medicine over all the mental stress like depression, like some disorders. So outdoor games also we can have. Meditation we can do. Like that many ways are there. But if all these ways are not helping us for reducing the mental stress, then the person can go for the counseling. Counseling will be done by the special persons like psychiatrist is there, or that is called psychotherapy can be done. After that treatment can be there, and then or medical advice can be taken by the person. So like this, these are the ways for reducing the mental stress. Second factor which we have seen that is disturbing the social health is addiction. So to reduce this addiction also many organizations are working all over India. Let's see some of the two main organizations we'll see here, that is the Salam Mumbai Foundation and the Unified Movement Against Tobacco. So these two organizations are there which are working for removing the habit of the children, especially that is the tobacco chewing or smoking. So Salam Mumbai Foundation is there which is working in Maharashtra, and many schools particularly their programs are going on to eradicate the habit of tobacco chewing or smoking, means addiction. The oath of freedom from tobacco is given to the children in their programs. Salam Mumbai Foundation is working mainly in the slum area, and they are forcing the children, or they are making the solution for the education of the children in those areas and to keep them away from the addiction. The last step, as we have seen, that is the counseling. So counseling can be done to the children against for the mental stress or for the addiction. If they have these problems, then counseling can be done. Even if in any family, suppose the persons are there which have incurable disease, then those persons along with the family, they can have the counseling program, and this counseling can be there in the government hospitals also. Private hospitals or government hospitals, we can go for this counseling. So in this way we can reduce our stress and we can make our social health stronger.